This is Rakesh Chaudhary. Now I am explaining about uh, experiment 11 in computer networks lab. The experiment title is IP address version 6 stateless address auto configuration. The aim of this experiment is to design a network topology and configure IPv6 address and using SLAAC to the routers and PCs. Test the connectivity between all the hosts in the LANs. uh, means local area networks. The description of this experiment is, first I need to explain about IPv6 address. IPv6 address means Internet Protocol version 6. Is the sixth version of Internet Protocol and the successor to IPv4. It functions similarly to IPv4 in that it provides to the unique IP addresses necessary for Internet-enabled devices to communicate. An IPv6 address is represented as 8 groups of 4 hexadecimal digits, each group representing 16 bits, means 2 octets. A group sometimes also called as hextet. The groups are separated by columns, means 2 dots. Okay, and after that I need to explain about compact IPv6 address. IPv6 addresses being 182 bits, 128 2 bits long, need need 32 characters to write in the general case. If standard hex representation is used, plus more for any punctuation inserted. Mm, This document specifies a more compact representation of IPv6 addresses, which permits encoding in a mere 20 bytes. Compress consecutive hexadecimal fields of zeros using double colon. IPv6 addresses can be further simplified by using colons, by using double colons, means dots, 2 times colons, in place of a series of consecutive hexadecimal zeros. Example, for example, 21DA colon D3 colon 0 colon 0 can be compressed to 21DA D3 DA colon D3 uh, double colon 2AA colon FF colon FE28 colon 9C5A. This is the compression to the given example. Types of IPv6 addresses. There are 3 categories: unicast, anycast, multicast. Unicast represents a single interface. Anycast identifies one or more interface. Multicast represent a dynamic group of hosts. Uh, Now I need to explain about the procedure. Configure router interfaces. Uh, Second step, using auto configuration to obtain the IPv6 address. Test and verify the configuration. This is the aim of this experiment also. Test and verify. Okay. Now I need to explain about configuration commands. Configuration commands is like as R1 configure configuration hash IPv6 unicast routing. R1 configure hash interface gigabyte Ethernet 0 bar 0 R1 configure dash if uh, IPv6 IPv6 add R2001.G88 colon 1 colon 1 double colon 2 bar 64. R1 configure if no sh. R1 configure if IPv6 unicast routing. R1 configure interface gigabyte Ethernet 0 0 bar 1 R1 configure if IPv6 add or auto configure R1 config if IPv6 add or 2001 colon D88 colon 1 colon 2 double colon 2 bar 64. Last R1 configure if no sh. Topology diagram of this is this is router R1. These two are switches S1 and S2. These are PCs, laptops, and servers. PC 0, laptop 0, server 0. PC 1, laptop 1, server 1. This is the explanation of 11th experiment. IPv6 stateless address auto configuration. Result of this experiment is like aim of the experiment. Uh, uh, test we test the connectivity between all the hosts in each LNS is verified successfully. Thank you.